So yesterday we had a little bit of snow when we woke up, so it looked like the last touch of winter, but Mother Nature never fails to surprise us. So this is like a blizzard. My little pine on my steps. I might have to shovel today. This is crazy. Big pine. I even dug out my winter coat. Again, boots, hats, mitts, the warm ones. Whoa. Holy smokins. They were not kidding about this system. Wow, this is like the first time I've come outside today, and this is literally crazy, the amount of snow we're getting. Holy, and it's supposed to snow all day. And I knew this was going to happen because we didn't have this kind of snow all winter. We had snow, but not like this. And I said, you watch, it'll come in April. Mother Nature's not done. And yesterday, there were some pictures posted. There's a great little Instagram channel, I Mother Earth, and I Mother Earth posted pictures of the first signs of spring, which was quite ironic because today it feels like December, a big snow you'd get between maybe Christmas and New Year's. Wow. I don't see or hear any plows out on the roads, which is strange. The small town usually has quite a bit of plows out, especially salting. But as you can see, the roads aren't very clear either. And you can see the snow hitting the phone. Holy. So there, I think, will be a few snowbanks left over from this. Will it stay? I have no idea. One day it's like spring here, and the next day, as you can tell, it's winter. It's not very warm for April. Today it is -5. Um, a little bit chilly for this time of the year. Look at that car. Car's covered in snow. I don't think too many people were expecting this, even though it was forecast, because the weather is so strange and off and does its own thing here. Oh, look at the tree. It's pretty. Beautiful day, no doubt. A lovely day for a walk. I'm heading down the road. Going to enjoy what Mother Nature has to bring. It is a true solitude. It really makes me feel better and a great therapy. So everybody bundled up here, walking around. Alrighty. Don't want to creep too many people out and let them think they're being filmed on camera. So this is Snowstorm in April, everybody. Thank you for joining. Have a great day. Love to you all. Bye-bye.